Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm Rakesh here, your host. Today is Wednesday, 4th of April 2024. Guys, in a quick time, let me introduce myself. I'm a Dukascopy's trading community member. I'm not an employee of Dukascopy. I'm just the member of the community. Like we are trading with the Dukascopy. That's why. Therefore, whatever I'm going to say here in this webinar, it is not the opinion of the Dukascopy Bank. It is my own opinion. It has nothing to do with the Dukascopy research team. They are two different things, okay? Me and him. So we'll be strictly discussing about the price action and ignore all the fundamentals because my specialization is in the technicals, not in fundamentals. And as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So we'll only follow the charts for our analysis purpose. Now in this program, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts so that we can find out the key levels for all the instruments that we are going to see, and then we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. Now I will be also taking the questions from the viewers, so please feel free to ask the questions if you have any, and I'll try to satisfy you with the answers that I have. Lastly, before I start this session, I must tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information and knowledge. It has nothing to do with the trading. I mean, it has to do something with the trading, but it should not be seen as a trading advice. Do your research before you put your money on the line. Okay, before I start, let me take you through this risk disclaimer. Please understand it completely before hopping onto the charts. All right, here are our charts. First things first, this is the daily chart of, you can see here, 1-day chart of candlestick chart ask bid price of dollar index. Okay, now here we had a low around 103.68 in this market earlier, and this high was somewhere 104.82, and now today the price has pierced, okay, the price has smashed this level and has gone below it. What does it mean? Should we buy? Should we sell? Well, we should not sell right now, but we should be looking for selling opportunities when the price rises from here. Well, below this 104.82, now the price is in a selling mode. Okay, we should be only looking for the selling opportunity when the price rises from here. Okay, so the support is 103.68 level, resistance is 104.82 for the dollar, and the bias is bearish. All right, what about the pound? The pound, I think we have discussed it yesterday also, that above 1.2668 we will be looking for the buying opportunities. Now the price has broken that level, although it is finding resistance, but I think in a very quick time we should be looking for something like this can happen now, guys. So look for buying opportunities. Now the support should be seen at around 1.2539, and the resistance that we are expecting is this one. This is also the weekly level. Notice 1.2803 is what we will be looking for in this market. Similar is the case with the euro. Euro has already broken through this. Oh, but these charts are the ask charts. Oh my God. By default, it should be the bid chart, not the. Okay. Hello, Jimmy. Welcome to the stream. So we are expecting now euro to keep going up, but in this process, it may pull back before we see up. It is pound. Similar is the case with the euro. So we are expecting in the euro something like this now. This can happen. This can purely happen. Okay. Hi, Jimmy. How are you? Welcome to the stream. Australian dollar very bullish today. 0.6613 is where it is trading right now. 0.6635 is what I am expecting in this market. If not today, then maybe tomorrow, but I am expecting it today only. can you check the Nikkei at the end? Yes, we are checking the Nikkei. Okay. If you draw a trend line, you see that we have already surpassed this trend line. See, so today is the breakout, and I'm expecting 0.6635 minimum in this one, whereas the price action that I'm expecting is somewhat like this. Even if it goes till here, then after going here, it should come back before it makes a higher high towards 0.6668 and 0.6748. Australian dollar is bullish, there is no doubt about it. Similar is the case with the New Zealand dollar. It has broken higher from these previous resistances, and now I think from these lows and these lows, these are very strong lows here, so expect some resistance here, some pullback, and then maybe a move towards 0.6107 in this one also. Dollar against the Swiss franc is finding it hard to go to the previous day's high, so the possibility is to go and cut the 0.9000 level. This is a possible, because that is support now. The resistance is 0.9113. USD CAD also has broken through this rising channel, as well as it has not been able to go beyond 1.3620. So there is a high probability that it will go to 1.3420, below which it will also see 1.3359. So this is what my trajectory looks like to the downside. Now upside is not possible in this one, so we'll just remove it so that you don't have any confusion about that. USD JPY still struggling at around 151.90 levels, and till the time the level is holding, we cannot be sure where it is going. But one thing is for sure, that the sellers are not able to push the prices down. That means the buyers are still, although you see the dollar index has fallen for the last 3 days, but the USD JPY has not fallen that much. See, so that means there is something in here. New Zealand CAD, yesterday and today's bullish price action has taken up these 4 hourlies highs. Thereafter there was high buying in this zone. Now first target for me is 0.8183. this we have decided yesterday, that New Zealand CAD will now keep going up, and it will be very bullish as soon as the Brent prices get stable. It will also go up very fast, because New Zealand dollar has a breakout on the daily, you see here, and it will keep going up towards 0.6217 and maybe 0.6370 also. But in the New Zealand CAD, there is a possibility of going till 0.8381. so there is a huge price action possible on the upside. First resistance that you will see is 0.8183. now the support is around 0.8124. this is the 4-hour chart, remember, and if you change it to bid, you will get a slight difference between the price levels. Okay, 0.8181 on the upside. What happened in the Bitcoin yesterday? We were thinking that there is a possibility of getting resistance around 0.6690950, but that did not happen, and the price has gone higher, maybe 68425. this is the level where you should be looking for resistance. Now earlier it was support, it was a very critical level in the past. So on the 4-hour basis, expect 0.6 what I am saying 0.6 68425 is the resistance, I think. Now okay, now not exactly 68, but you can also take these lows into account. Then you will see that the price has already met the resistance once, so for some time it may hover here before it goes back towards the 66950 and maybe 63841. All right, next is what Brent I am bullish on this one. I am expecting 90.42 in this market, but yes, for some time there may be some pullback. The price may pull back like this and then go like this. Okay, this is possible, but yes, support may be seen around 87.71 and the resistance may be seen around 90.42. Nothing has changed from yesterday. There is only an inside bar today. Nothing has changed. Gold has seen the highest high of forever. 2305 is where it has reached right now. 2311 is what we are expecting. This is an extension of this rise and pullback. From this pullback, I am expecting 2311 minimum. Thereafter, we have higher targets of 2517 also, but that I am not expecting right now. I am expecting 2311, and thereafter it may pull back, or you can see some profit booking maybe there before going higher. Now someone was asking for the Nikkei. This is my friend Zumi. You can have a check out at this Nikkei. Now Nikkei was making higher highs and higher lows. Now if you take this as the swing high and this as the swing low, so the price is making lower highs and lower lows, you see, on the Nikkei. I'll just remove everything so that you can have a proper look at this one. You see, earlier price was making higher highs and higher lows. Here it made a lower low, and then we started expecting a lower high that did not form, so it made a higher high. So between these two areas now is the range. Till the time the price does not break this high of 41138, we cannot be bullish on this one. Till the time the price doesn't break the low of 38278, we cannot be bearish on this one. But if you go deeper into this price action and go to 4 hour, you will see that there is a lower time frame price action happening here, where the price is already making lower highs and lower lows. And just now, or you can say today, the price has made a higher high on this one. So this is quite interesting. Okay, so the price has made a higher high than this one, so now what you can do is you can expect the price to keep going higher, and that will be in line with your daily trend. Yes, because the price was going lower highs and lower lows on the highs. And also, how much is this? So if you see that the price was already in the discount 62%, and then the price started rising. So yes, I am expecting an up move in this one very soon. Yes, I think you got it. Zumi, what are your views on the Nikkei? I think that it should start going higher now very fast towards 41,138 very fast. Okay, that is what my expectation is. So I will remove everything to just to show you. All right, let's go to daily. Remove this one. Okay, so what we are expecting is any move above 40176 will open up the way for 41138. Later on, we have not plotted anything on our chart because this is the highest high that the price has made. All right, it goes it now higher. It is how, not now, it was higher than the 90s when it made a high somewhere here 40,176 and beyond. It was like 2 weeks back. It made the highest high. We have checked it on the monthly, and that's where from I think this level of 40176 came. You see, these are the levels. These are the levels of 90s. All right. So, but you got the idea, right? What about the Euro JPY? A bullish breakout yesterday, a continuation today. 165.34 is the resistance. That's it. Nothing else. I was bearish then. Even now you can be bearish, but for that bearishness to be confirmed, you have to break below 38,278. Okay, till the time the price does not break below 38,278, you cannot be bearish on this one, because I said from 90. Yes, I see 1990. I understand. Now 4176 is the resistance. If this resistance continues, not exactly, actually 4258 is the resistance. If the price goes higher than this, then you may see an uptrend continuation. But if the downtrend continuation has to happen, then this bullish pin bar or bullish candles low has to be taken out, and the price has to go beyond 38,278 to the downside. All right, Euro JPY 165.34 is the first level of resistance that we are going to witness. The support may be seen around 164.41. Although we will not be selling this market until we go below 160.21. GBP AUD, finally that day has come, guys. That day has come. That day has come that we were waiting for. You remember I was saying that we have to sell the pound against the Australian dollar. This is the time. Okay, so today if we see a close below 1.9184, then this level will start acting as a huge resistance, and the range will be now 1.9184 to 1.8590. So you can sell this market with a target of 1.8590. Okay, keep this in mind. CHF JPY, we are already in a bearish trend. This is a range formation here. 168.19 is the resistance. This is also an ask. So 168.05 is the resistance, and the support is around 166.56. Keep these things in mind, guys. All right. What is this? All right. We are in a bearish trend here. The price is making lower highs and lower lows, but here there is a consolidation. So when the consolidation is over, when this consolidation is over, expect the price to move towards 165.63. That's it. Audi New Zealand, up, 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 up. Okay, this resistance is broken now. 1.0950 is taken out. So the next target on this one is 1.1069. On the way up, there is a trend line which is coming from the monthly chart. So expect some breaks here. Euro CHF 9842, targets taken. Everything is done. So there is nothing. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me the questions. Otherwise, I will be wrapping up the session. We are done. Euro CHF, all targets are taken. Now, Euro CHF, we were looking for 0.9842. That target is taken. Although the price has not been able to sustain higher than that, at the closing, if the price closes higher than this, okay, actually, you should convert it to bid prices. Yeah, if the price is able to sustain above 0.9842, then we can also witness 1.0042 levels and 1.0097 levels. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that may be of interest for tomorrow and from the next week onwards. My request to you is that do not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, because it may not be worth it. You may make or may not make money in that, but if you do not make money, then your account will be wiped out, and you do not press the trigger or you do not open a trade if you have a potential of less than 3 times that whatever you are risking. Okay, the risk should be less, the reward should be more, than only you should be. Statistically, in the long run, you will be profitable when you have risk to reward of 1:3 at least. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT.